Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Immerse yourself in a world of vibrant warmth and cultural charm with an orange Moroccan bedroom design. This space is an invitation to relaxation and rejuvenation, inspired by the rich colors and intricate details of Moroccan riads. Key characteristics: saturated orange walls. The focal point is the use of a rich, saturated orange on the walls. This bold color creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, reminiscent of a desert sunset. Contrasting accents. The orange is beautifully offset by contrasting accents. Deep blues, cool greens, and touches of black create visual interest and prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. Luxurious textiles. Moroccan design is synonymous with luxurious textiles. Layered throw pillows with intricate embroidery, a plush Beni Arain rug in rich brown tones, and flowing curtains in a contrasting color add texture and cultural flair. Architectural details. Arched doorways, if applicable, decorative plasterwork on ceilings or around windows, and ornately carved details on the headboard or furniture legs add a touch of grandeur and architectural interest. Metallic touches. Gold or brass accents elevate the design. Lamps with intricate metalwork bases, decorative trays, or ornately designed picture frames add a touch of luxury and shine. Ottoman or daybed. A comfortable upholstered ottoman or daybed placed at the foot of the bed provides additional seating or a lounging area. Lanterns and candlelight. Warm, ambient lighting is key. Lanterns with intricate metalwork cast beautiful patterned shadows on walls, and strategically placed candles create a magical ambience. Plants and natural elements. Large potted plants like palms or ficus trees add a touch of life and soften the bold color scheme. Woven baskets and natural wood furniture elements connect the space to nature. Overall vibe: an orange Moroccan bedroom design is a vibrant and inviting space that promotes relaxation and tranquility. It's a space that celebrates cultural heritage and invites you to unwind in a luxurious and visually stimulating environment. Extra touches. Mirrored dresser. A mirrored dresser reflects light and adds a touch of glamour to the space. Inlay furniture. Furniture with inlaid wood or mother-of-pearl details adds a touch of sophistication and cultural influence. Moroccan-inspired artwork. Hang vibrant tapestries or paintings with intricate patterns to further enhance the Moroccan theme. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning orange Moroccan bedroom that is both visually striking and a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. An orange Moroccan bedroom design offers a unique blend of warmth, relaxation, cultural flair, and visual intrigue. Here are some compelling reasons to consider this vibrant style for your sanctuary: warmth and tranquility. A desert oasis. The rich, saturated orange evokes the warmth of a desert sunset, creating a calming and inviting atmosphere that promotes relaxation after a long day. A sensory escape. The combination of warm orange hues, soft textures from textiles, and flickering candlelight creates a multi-sensory experience that invites you to unwind and de-stress. Energy boost. A touch of orange can also add a subtle burst of energy, perfect for starting your day feeling refreshed and motivated. Cultural celebration and visual appeal. A Moroccan retreat. This design transports you to the heart of a Moroccan riad, celebrating the rich cultural heritage and vibrant colors of the region. A feast for the eyes. The interplay of orange with contrasting colors, intricate patterns on textiles, and metallic accents creates a visually stimulating and captivating space. Personalize your oasis. This design can be adapted to various levels of intensity. You can choose a less saturated orange or add pops of orange through textiles and accessories for a subtler touch. Luxury and comfort. An invitation to indulge. Moroccan design is synonymous with luxurious textiles and intricate details. This creates a space that feels opulent and inviting, perfect for indulging in some self-care. A touch of the exotic. Bring a touch of the exotic into your bedroom, offering a unique escape from the ordinary and a reminder of faraway travels, or inspiring them. Comfort and functionality. Despite the bold colors and patterns, functionality remains important. Consider incorporating comfortable bedding, ample storage, and soft lighting for a truly restful retreat. Overall, an orange Moroccan bedroom design offers a vibrant and visually stimulating space that promotes relaxation, celebrates cultural heritage, and creates a luxurious and inviting haven for rest and rejuvenation. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your dream orange Moroccan bedroom, a tranquil oasis inspired by the vibrant culture. Planning and assessment. 1. Measure your space. Measure your bedroom meticulously and create a detailed layout sketch. Consider the placement of furniture, windows, and doorways. 2. Define your orange shade. Moroccan design utilizes a range of orange hues. Research online resources and pictures of Moroccan bedrooms to find an orange shade that resonates with you. Consider factors like the size of your room and the amount of natural light it receives. A lighter orange can work well in smaller rooms, while a richer, more saturated shade can create a dramatic effect in larger spaces. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Consider the cost of paint, textiles, bedding, throw pillows, rugs, furniture, if needed, lighting, decorative elements, and any architectural modifications, like adding moldings. Prioritize key elements like painting the walls in your chosen orange shade, acquiring a Beni Aurain rug and incorporating some Moroccan-inspired throw pillows and a comfortable seating option like an ottoman. Design and color scheme. 1. Embrace the warmth. Commit to painting your walls in your chosen shade of orange. Don't be afraid of the bold color. The contrasting accents and textured elements will balance the vibrancy. 2. Contrasting and complementary colors. Select contrasting and complementary colors for furniture, bedding, and accent pieces. Deep blues, cool greens, and white create visual interest and prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. 3. Flooring. Opt for a neutral-colored floor in a light beige, cream, or terracotta shade to ground the space and complement the orange and other colorful elements. Textiles and furniture. 1. Luxurious bedding. Invest in comfortable and luxurious bedding in a contrasting color or with a subtle Moroccan-inspired pattern. 2. Layered throw pillows. Layer throw pillows with intricate embroidery, tassels, or geometric patterns for added texture and cultural flair. 3. Beni Aurain rug. A Beni Aurain rug in a rich brown or cream color with geometric patterns adds a touch of Moroccan style and plush comfort underfoot. 4. Headboard with character. Consider a headboard with intricate carvings or a touch of metallic detailing to add a touch of grandeur. You can also reupholster an existing headboard in a Moroccan-inspired fabric. 5. Ottoman or daybed. Incorporate a comfortable upholstered ottoman or daybed at the foot of the bed for additional seating or a lounging area. Lighting and ambience. 1. Warm and inviting. Focus on creating a warm and inviting ambience. Floor lamps with ornate metalwork bases, strategically placed table lamps with patterned shades, and sconces with a Moroccan touch provide layered lighting. 2. Lanterns and candlelight. Incorporate Moroccan lanterns with intricate metalwork for a touch of magic and beautiful patterned shadows on the walls. Add strategically placed candles for a warm glow in the evenings. 3. Mirrored dresser. Optional. A mirrored dresser reflects light and adds a touch of glamour to the space, especially in a smaller bedroom. Finishing touches. 1. Metallic accents. Gold or brass accents elevate the design. Lamps, decorative trays, picture frames with intricate metalwork, or even doorknobs add a touch of luxury and shine. 2. Plants and natural elements. Large potted plants like palms or ficus trees add a touch of life and soften the bold color scheme. Woven baskets and natural wood furniture elements connect the space to nature. 3. Moroccan-inspired artwork. Hang vibrant tapestries, paintings with intricate patterns, or even metallic wall hangings to further enhance the Moroccan theme. Additional tips. Consult with an interior designer familiar with Moroccan style for guidance on color selection, furniture choices, and sourcing authentic Moroccan decor elements. Explore online retailers or local shops specializing in Moroccan handicrafts to find unique and beautiful textiles, decorative pieces, and lighting options. Consider DIY touches. You can stencil Moroccan patterns on an accent wall or reupholster furniture in a Moroccan-inspired fabric. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. The key is to maintain a cohesive overall look that reflects your personal style and appreciation for Moroccan design. By following these steps and personalizing your design choices, you can create a stunning orange Moroccan bedroom that is both visually striking and a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.